Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1957 Chevy. Just an absolutely beautiful restored vehicle. Two factory original specs with just a couple minor upgrades. It does have AC and power windows, which we'll get into in a little bit. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here to maintain the historical value and history of this 1957 Chevy. But before we get into this car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on a corner of Televast and 301, about a mile and a half from the Sarasota airport. We are a full service dealership, so if you are not in Florida and you're interested in this 57 Chevy or anything else you may see on our website, please don't hesitate to give us a call or still visit the website, as we can get this car shipped to anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world, so we can get your car to anywhere you may be. If you have financing needs or are looking to finance a car, we can certainly help you as well. Visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. We do have a finance tab, and we have several classic car lenders to get your dream car to you and financed. Again, the website is classiccarsofsarasota.com, or we can be reached at 941-355-1955. And here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we keep about 100 cars in inventory at all times. I'm not going to go through the entire inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. Others are exotic and or luxury or European in nature. But again, please visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota if you have an interest in this 57 Chevy or anything else you may see on the website. But back to this beautiful 1957 Chevy. When you think of 50 vehicles, Tri-5 certainly come to mind, and the 57 stands out as one of the most iconic cars of the 1950s. This has been beautifully restored. The bottom looks just as clean and nice as the top. The chrome is in excellent condition. Paint is in excellent condition as well. You see it with the wide white wall tires. It does have a 283 V8 automatic. It is red, and you see the two-tone red interior with the red vinyl and black cloth. As I mentioned, they did add aftermarket AC and power windows, which is a very nice touch. It does have power steering and power brakes. Take you and show you the engine bay here. And as I mentioned, very nicely restored. Sorry for the light, it is a little dark, but we do have better pictures of the vehicle on our website. It is outside, so you'll be able to see the engine bay better, the exterior paint. We do have it up on the lift as well, so you can see the underside. See the power brakes. It does have power steering, as I mentioned, aftermarket AC. Nice 4-barrel on top of this 283. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle here. We'll go ahead and start it up just so you can see it is a cold start. As I mentioned, they do have power windows. They are controlled off the window knob, so it does keep the factory look. And the AC does have the factory controls very well installed. Vehicle starts right up. I'll let you hear the exhaust. Again, exhaust sounds good. Not crazy loud or anything, but just a little rumble of the 50s that you hear. You don't see any smoke. Sounds great. Let you listen to the engine. Again, the paint is just in excellent condition. Chrome is bright all the way through. See the engine bay, as I mentioned earlier, painted very nicely, very well done. Engine sounds good. Rev it up just a little bit. Again, it is still cold here. It's not a hot rod. It is a 283 V8. Again, very well done. Wouldn't be afraid to take this to any show and walk away with trophies for sure. And just out for a nice cruise. Just a beautiful 1957 Chevy. Very well done. If you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1957. Excuse me, 1955. We are looking at a 1957, so apologize for that. 941-355-1955. Sorry, I don't know our own number. The website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We certainly appreciate you joining in today. Thank you very much.